Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open Magnifier in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to open Magnifier in Windows 10 PC or laptop, first you click on Start. Now scroll down. After click on Windows Ease of Access, and here option Magnifier. If you want to plus long, so click it. If you want to minus, so click it. There. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open Magnifier in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.